Hello viewers, today we see the introduction to vitamins. Vitamins are nothing but the variety of organic compounds that cannot be synthesized by humans and therefore must be supplied by the diet. Vitamins are required in small amount for the maintenance of normal metabolism, growth and development. Deficiency of vitamin causes specific disease which can be prevented by taking them in the diet. Depending on their solubility, these are classified into two major groups, that are water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins include group B vitamin and vitamin C, whereas fat soluble vitamin includes vitamin A, D, E and K. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you very much.